Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, let us solve a trigonometric problem in a very easy way. Let us prove that secant square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin power 4 theta by 2 cos power 4 theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Now let me take the LHS. I am going to change secant square theta as 1 by cos square theta. Here I am going to take sin square theta outside because sin square theta is common in both the terms. And here again in the denominator I am taking cos square theta because cos square theta is common in both the terms. So I have taken out sin square theta by cos square theta. The remaining terms are 1 minus 2 sin square theta and here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now in my denominator I can see cos square theta to be common. So I am taking cos square theta outside. So I am left with 1 by cos square theta into the remaining terms of 1 minus sin square theta. I am writing as it is. And inside the square brackets I am going to make a small change, that is in place of 1 I am going to write sin square theta plus cos square theta in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So that is what I have done here. My next step I am going to write 1 by cos square theta as it is, 1 minus sin square theta as it is, and here I am going to take the minus inside, that is minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now again I am going to write 1 by cos square theta as it is, 1 minus sin square theta as it is, and here let me subtract. So minus 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta gives me minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta in the numerator. Again in the denominator 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta gives me cos square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So let me cancel cos square theta and cos square theta. So I am left with nothing but 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, now let me change 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta. So it's nothing but cos square theta by cos square theta. So when I cancel, it's nothing but 1, which is my RHS. Prove the following identity. Sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Now let me take the LHS. We all know that a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I am going to apply that sin square theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus secant square theta. And for the next part also I am going to apply a plus b the whole square, that is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So let me write the 1 here. Now my next step will be I am going to write the remaining terms as it is, that is I am going to write 2 sin theta secant theta as it is, secant square theta, 2 cos theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Now here when I look at my RHS, I have something like secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. So let me keep 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta untouched till the end, plus 2 times I have sin theta secant theta plus 2 times cos theta cosecant theta. So I am going to make changes only for this one, that is I am going to take 2 outside and I have sin theta here. In place of secant theta I can write 1 by cos theta. So I written sin theta by cos theta. Again here cos theta let me write here, and for cosecant theta I can write 1 by sin theta. That's what I have written here, cos theta by sin theta. My next step will be let me take the LCM. My LCM will be cos theta sin theta. Then the numerator becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but an identity 1. So I'm getting 1 by cos theta sin theta. Now let me split this as 1 by cos theta, which is nothing but secant theta, and 1 by sin theta, which is nothing but cosecant theta. Now come to the last step, that is 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 secant theta cosecant theta. Now this is nothing but a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write this as 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square, which is nothing but my RHS. Here we are going to prove 1 plus 1 by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 by cos square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. Now let me take the LHS first. Now here 1 is a whole number, whereas 1 by tan square theta is a fraction. I cannot add a whole number with a fraction. So let me write this 1 as 1 by 1. Here again I am going to write 1 by 1. Now for the first part, here let me take the LCM. The LCM here will be tan square theta. So let me multiply here into tan square theta and the numerator also by tan square theta. So I get tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Now for the second part, Again, we have the LCM here as cot square theta. So multiply the denominator by cot square theta and the numerator by cot square theta, which gives me cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. Now, using the identities, tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but secant square theta, cot square theta plus 1 is nothing but cosecant square theta by tan square theta into cot square theta. Now I look at my RHS. The answer is in terms of sign ratios. So let me write secant in terms of cos and cosecant in terms of sine. So secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta. Cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 by sine square theta divided by tan square theta. I'm going to write as sine square theta by cos square theta, and cot square theta is nothing but cos square theta by sine square theta. Now I can cancel sine square and sine square, again cos square and cos square. I am left with 1 ones are 1 cos square theta into sine square theta. Again I look at my RHS. Again the answer is in terms of sign ratios. So let me change cos in terms of sine, which gives me 1 by cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta into sine square theta. Now when I multiply the sine square theta inside, I get 1 by sine square theta into 1 is sine square theta. Sine square theta into sine square theta is nothing but sine power 4 theta, which is my RHS. So friends, was this not easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.